Question 1. Which bird has the longest wingspan? The options are A. Eagle, B. Albatross, C. Condor, D. Swan. The correct answer is B. The wandering albatross holds the record for the longest wingspan of any bird, measuring up to 3.5 meters. Question 2. Which is the only mammal capable of true flight? The options are A. Bat, B. Flying squirrel, C. Gliding possum, D. Flying snake. The correct answer is A. Bats are the only mammals capable of sustained flight. Question 3. What is the fastest bird in the world? The options are A. Hawk, B. Eagle, C. Swallow, D. Falcon. The correct answer is D. The peregrine falcon is the world's fastest bird, capable of diving at speeds of over 300 kilometers per hour. Question 4. Which flightless bird is fastest on land? The options are A. Kiwi, B. Penguin, C. Ostrich, D. Emu. The correct answer is C. Ostriches are flightless birds capable of running at speeds exceeding 70 kilometers per hour. Question 5. What gives the pink hue to the plumage of flamingos? The options are A. Fish, B. Shrimp, C. Algae, D. Both B and C. The correct answer is D. Flamingos get their pink color from carotenoids from shrimp and algae, which are absorbed during digestion and deposited in their feathers and skin. Welcome to Quizzed. Question 6. What is the only bird that can hover in mid-air? The options are A. Hummingbird, B. Sparrow, C. Falcon, D. Swallow. The correct answer is A. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can hover mid-air. Their unique wing structure allows them to flap in a figure-8 motion, enabling precise hovering. Question 7. Which bird migrates the longest distance annually? The options are A. Swallow, B. Albatross, C. Arctic tern, D. Crane. The correct answer is C. The Arctic tern holds the record for the longest migration of any bird, traveling 90,000 kilometers annually from the Arctic to Antarctica. Question 8. Which bird has eyes larger than its brain? The options are A. Owl, B. Ostrich, C. Emu, D. Kiwi. The correct answer is B. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain and is the largest eye of any living land animal, measuring 5 centimeters across. Question 9. Which bird species is considered the fastest flyer in level flight? The options are A. Peregrine falcon, B. Swift, C. Golden eagle, D. White-throated needletail. The correct answer is D. The white-throated needletail is the fastest bird in level flight, reaching speeds of 150 kilometers per hour. Question 10. Which bird is capable of diving to the greatest depth? The options are A. Puffin, B. Emperor penguin, C. Cormorant, D. Pelicans. The correct answer is B. Penguins, particularly the emperor penguin, can dive to depths of 500 meters in search of food. The 11th question. Polar bears are apex predators, so why do they not include penguins in their diet? The correct answer will be pinned in the comment section.